Hello friends, today we are discussing about the spectrometer, refractive index of the material of the prism. Aim of the experiment is to determine the angle of prism A and the angle of minimum deviation and hence to calculate the refractive index of the material of the prism. The apparatus are spectrometer, the given prism, sodium vapor lamp, reading lens and reading lamp and spirit level. The spectrometer means the spectrometer is a device used to obtain and study the pure spectra of luminous objects. It consists of three main parts. The first one is collimator, second one is prism table and third one is telescope. The theory of the experiment is when a light ray passes through the prism, the deviation is produced is given by d is equal to I1 minus R1 plus I2 minus R2, or d is equal to I1 plus I2 minus R1 plus R2. This is equation number 1, where I1 is the angle of incidence on the first phase and the I2 is the angle of emergence at the second phase, and R1 and R2 is the angle of refraction at the first phase and the angle of incidence at the second phase respectively. When the deviation is minimum, that is the ray inside the prism is parallel to the base, in this position I1 is equal to I2 and R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R. Then the d becomes minimum, that is d is equivalent to capital D. Then the equation 1 becomes d is equal to I1 plus I plus I minus R plus R is equal to 2I minus 2R, but R1 plus R2 is equal to A. That is, at minimum deviation, R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R, then 2R is equal to A. This is the equation number 2. D is equal to 2I minus A, or I is equal to A plus D by 2. That is the equation number 3. By definition, refractive index is given by mu is equal to sin I1 by sin R2 is equal to sin I2 by sin R2. At minimum deviation, mu is equal to sin I by sin R2. Put in the values of I and R from the equation 3 and 2. We get the equation mu is equal to sin A plus D by sin A by 2. This is the theory for the spectrometer refractive index of the material of prism. Thank you.